Alright, best way to remove a pilot bearing. Cup of water, put some paper towels in it, tear them up, start stuffing the towels in there, find a socket or something the same diameter as the pilot bearing, just keep tapping it in. Takes a lot of paper towels. Hopefully that whole thing don't come out. Stuff more in there until it's right out at the end.
It's got a big gap in there.
Yeah. Do like a light tap on it. You can use grease, you can use bread. The only problem with that is grease will splatter everywhere, and bread is kind of nasty to work with too. I think you just need more towels. I think that whole thing's gonna come out, and we're gonna have to get that. Just realized it. If you hear the metal, then it's not doing anything.
Does look like the whole thing's coming out.
Yeah, I believe it's, I think one time I had this happen. It comes with just the pilot bearing, but I believe you can get the pilot bearing with, I think they call it, what the hell is it? Bushing? Cheap though. Probably just go get one and then yeah, come over here and record. Or just record from over there. Give your arm a break and I'll work on it.
It's like the bear's staying.
Candy straw.
What am I doing? I've never had one of those. I don't care, man. I like to sit on my butt right in front of it.
Yeah, I'm sitting like this. This is not good. I'm just jello.
There's no reason this shouldn't. Does it fit tight and snug?
Yep.
But it does go in there.
It goes all the way in, yep. Couldn't have been more perfect.
Is that a good view for you?
It's a little bright, but yeah, I got a great angle on it.
Yeah, it's coming out. It's actually the bearing itself coming out. Now it's stuck though. There we go. See the bearing coming out? Are you able to pick that up on the camera? It's coming out. That's why I jack them up real high so I can sit under here and get a good whack on them. There it is. It's out. Yeah, that does fit real nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But that's the key. You want to get a socket or something, and we got a bolt in here. There's a bolt in the end of this to keep the paper from going in it. The other thing you can do is get a socket. You can flip it around, and you can put an extension in from the back side, like this way. But not every socket's like that. And then now, all I gotta do is get the paper out that's crammed in there. And that's why I like this over bread and grease and whatnot, because I mean, bread's fucking food. Why do you want to be working around like this? Would all be like bread pieces all over the ground splattering at your face. I like the paper because once you get it out, I mean, it's just, the area is clean. You got a little bit of fucking water and that's it. See that camera? See with the paper how clean that hole is? I don't have bread and grease and shit everywhere. That's why I like the paper. It's just easy cleanup. Now we take the new pilot bearing and just tap it in to the same spot it was, and we'll be done. Should we show that part? Alright, I'll just pause it and we'll show that too. Okay, now we're gonna install the new one on this particular 4.0. This is a 98 Jeep Wrangler Sport. 15 millimeter works perfect. And we took a fucking extension and put it from the back side. And we're gonna tap it in like that. We're just gonna tap it till it's flush, which is the way the other one was. So first, just gotta get it started, which that's probably the hardest part. Okay, take this. We want to make sure we keep it center over it so we don't damage the bearing. And clean wax, just one at a time. Whack and check, whack and check, and we're just going to go till it's flush. I'm going to do one more small one. Yep, that's flush right there. Okay. Let's pause it. End of video. 98 Jeep Wrangler Sport 4.0 pilot bearing.